Oh, dang. Sorry. What's up ulit guys? So magbabalik po tayo maglaro ng Sandel Blue Revenge Part 2. So yes, start na po natin. Sure. Ano na to? Oh. Oh yun. Ayun, English. This story from my friend who was a little shy and strange when he was defecated in the campus toilet. The story goes like this. My friend happened to be on the same campus as me. At that time, my friend was on the third floor and he was feeling sick to his stomach. He rushed to the toilet to defect, defect, defecate, def- to toilet to defecate. When he defecated, he felt safe. He didn't feel anything, blah blah blah, sino yang, yan. He didn't feel anything strange when he defecated. After he finished defecating, he came out of toilet and not when ridiculous and strange incident happened. Suddenly he was on the 8th floor. He did not realize that he had moved rooms or moved floors from the 3rd floor to the 8th floor. He realized did not realize he, re, he really did not realize that he was being moved teleport by spirit while he was defecating in the toilet. He also wondered who came and defected in the 3rd floor toilet suddenly turned into 8th floor. After that incident, he no longer used the 3rd floor toilet. That's the story of my friend. It's little ridiculous, but that was he experienced. So, nagte-teleport siya, guys. Pumunta na siya sa kung ano-anong dimension. Saan na tayo? Eh... Hello! Oh... Oh, no. Ah! Oh! Dang! Oh, dang! Okay, thank you. Pumunta na, hindi ako pumunta sa kabila. Oh. Hello! Uy, huwag ka mag-lag. Oh, wala. Uy, huwag ka mag-lag. Hello. In case lang guys. In case lang. Diretso tayo dyan. Oh! Oh. Hotdog. Oh. Oh. Wait mo mabaho. Wait. Tingnan natin. Uy, mag-lag. Oh, uy. Ush. Ah! Wah! Ah! Ano ba? Oh dang! Oh dang! Oh dang! No 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 no. Oh, huwag kang maglag. Okay, wala tayong matatapos, guys. Wala tayong matatapos. Ako lang, try natin to. Oh! Ay, okay, okay. Gets. Hindi ata siya pwedeng lumabas, guys. Hindi siya pwedeng lumabas sa kwartong ito. Hello? Oh, where are you now? Okay. Ooh. Oh. No. Oh, okay. Gets. Okay, gets. Okay. Oh, may pantuan. sorry. Takbo ka ba? Ah! Woo! Uy, wag ka maglag! Uy, lumabas siya! Hello? Wait. Oh, naglalag. Oh. Malapit na ako, pucha. Okay. Uy, lumutang. Saan ka pupunta? Oy! Uy, huwag ka maglag. Pucha. Opo. Ano siya, ay? Okay.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Woo! Kinaya ko na sa likod ko na! Boss, laglag ka ha! No? Yep. Dang it. Oh, dang. Ah! 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 Oh! 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 Ba't ka ganon? Buksan mo. Hello? Chay, nandun. Okay. Okay. Okay, wala na nga. Oh! Yap. Oh. Lag. Hotdog. Wait, what? Oh. Takbo! Woohoo! Dang. Who are you now? Guys, ito muna natin tatapusin tong Sindel Bulong Revenge. So yeah, sobrang hirap talaga nun. Kung saan tayo pumupunta. Sumusunod siya, boss. So yes, kung nagustuhan yung itong video ito, please leave a like, share,